Have you ever contemplated transforming your waste into stunning garden art? Recycled garden art is a delightful way to combine creativity, sustainability, and beauty. Easily crafted from everyday waste, it's not just aesthetically pleasing, but also kind to our environment. Imagine the beauty and satisfaction of seeing your waste turned into fabulous garden art. Creating recycled garden art is a breeze, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Let's dive right in, shall we? Step 1, the treasure hunt. Your task is to find suitable waste materials. Hunt around your house and garage, or even your neighborhood. Look for things like old tires, unused pipes, broken ceramics, or even discarded furniture. Remember, one person's trash is another's treasure. Step 2, the preparation. Now that you've found your materials, it's time to prepare them. Clean them thoroughly, remove any sharp edges, and ensure they're safe to use. This step is crucial to give your art a polished and professional look. Step 3, the assembly. This is where your creativity comes into play. Arrange your materials into a design that speaks to you. Perhaps an old tire could become a quirky planter, or a broken ceramic pot could transform into a whimsical fairy house. The key here is personalization. Your garden art should reflect your personality and taste. Don't be afraid to experiment and make changes until you're happy with the result. With these steps, you are well on your way to creating your first piece of recycled garden art. Now that you know how to create recycled garden art, it's your turn to give it a shot. Dive into your creative side and let your imagination bloom. Remember, it's not just about beautifying your garden, but also about making the most out of what you already have. This activity can be a fun, rewarding, and eco-friendly project. Don't forget to share your masterpieces on social media. And remember, every garden is a canvas, so start creating. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your recycled garden art creations with us. Happy gardening!